morning from Nova Scotia. It is beautiful out today. We are going on a little journey today with the Electric Vehicle Association of Atlantic Canada. We're going to see some really incredible fall colors on our drive down to the valley. Come join us. Here we go.
To the right, we're just passing the Tesla superchargers at the Enfield Big Stop, and we are heading to IKEA to meet the group.
We're gonna get on the highway here. Okay. I'm just gonna hit that button. We're in FSD Beta.
102 South Ramp.
And the car's being a little funky here this morning. I have no idea why. It's testing patience here. What is it doing? I'm giving it a little bit of acceleration just to get it moving forward because as you can see, I have no idea what it was just doing there.
Look at these beautiful fall colors as we go up over the airport hill.
We're in blue. It should navigate over by itself, and it did. I'm just going to put the speed down. It's really fast. It's not so fast when you're not in autopilot, but it's pretty fast. Oh, here we are. We're in FSD Beta now.
We are just coming into Dartmouth Crossing to head over to IKEA to meet the group.
See how it does down here. Ooh, it's not getting over. We're going the wrong
left at the fork.
Oh, we're keeping left, but it wanted to go right. So thankfully there's no cars there.
Now
So
enter the roundabout and take the third exit.
we're gonna put it back on and see how it does. Ah! Okay. Ah! Okay. This is going good. I know we're gonna have to make this turn here and cool. It put the blinker and it did the turn. Fantastic. Just gonna head right in.
Here's the group, and we'll meet a few down at Noggins Farms. Let's go. There couldn't have been a more beautiful fall day to meet up with the group today.
You did me the whole time.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group.
It was great to get together today, see some faces that we already knew, and some new folks. Great to meet everyone.
Over there?
No, what
They
did
were
they
like-
do? Were they? When I had them. And I was like, where's everybody going? Anyway.
Leave it to Natasha.
Leave it to me again. I'm so sorry.
What a great little spot in the valley that we found here called Bent Ridge. It's kind of very European. Check out the bathroom. How cool is that? We had great conversations today, and it was just a real blessing. Hey ladies! It's time to head home. Until next time. If you enjoyed our video, please subscribe, like, and share.